Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and yes, we are in my laundry room. Yay us. So today we are going to do, and again, eventually guys, I'm going to get like a better setup obviously, so we're not looking like we are right now. But anyways, we are going to be doing the bouquet flowers with these 2 cups. So you can do it for Valentine's Day, you can do it for Easter, you can do it for whatever. I know baskets are just $1 also, but I hate having the extra clutter around the house. So the baskets are way cute, but then what do you do with them after that? They just kind of hang out. So I like these because after you take out the candy and the suckers and stuff, the kids can use them to drink in. So I really like this. So we are going to do 1 Mickey and 1 Minnie. So you'll need the plastic cups. And I do like these because the lid of these, this is the floral foam 3.8 inches by 2.8 inches from the Dollar Tree. It fits in there perfectly. So we're going to need 1 or 2 of the foams because we're going to need 1 for the second one. And then I did pick up a lot of gumballs, too many. But I picked up the bubble gum pops because I liked the pink for my girls one. This one right here, the Tiger Pops, are strawberries and cream. I also picked these up from the Dollar Tree because they are pink. And then we have the Charms Mini Pops that I picked up also from the Dollar Tree because they are pink. And then to go with our mini cup, we have this that we are going to put at the top. And it is just 1.6 ounces of chocolates, milk chocolate hearts. So that's going to be on our mini cup. Then we have our Mickey cup, and we have yet another hearts, the 1.6 ounces also. I have another one of these floral foams that I have to grab because I realized I did not have it in here. And then for that one, we have some Tootsie Roll Pops. We have just the assortment. I'm going to pick out the red ones out of these Mini Pops Charms, tons of cool flavors. I'm going to pick out the red and blue from these original Dum Dum Pops. All of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. And then, yeah, so that's what we have for that one. All right, guys, so I'm going to get started on this, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. Okay, guys, so we have our foam opened. We have all of our lollipops open. And honestly, sure you've done this before, we are just going to start putting our suckers in all over the place and just making sure there's no holes and kind of making a bouquet. So when this part is done, I will tell you the special thing I'm going to do to the girls one. So anyways, yeah, I'm just putting stuff all over the place. So you're going to do this until it's full. And so I will come back in a minute and show you guys when this is fully filled of lollipops. All right, guys, so this is literally what it looks like now. I'm trying to move it back. So I just put the foam in under here, and then I took all of the I have to remember the Tiger Pops, the strawberry and cream Tiger Pops. Let me bring it closer for you. And I put them all around the edge of the foam right here, and I faced them all the same way to kind of look like petals. And then on the up here, I just literally put all the big suckers around right here and then just shoved in the little ones right there. I used a, oh gosh, hold on, a skier, yes, and put it in here. There's no glue. I just stuck it through here and then put this on the top. And now, I mean, how excited are your kids going to be when they come out and see this? I'm going to try to pick up my camera and bring it to this so we can see it a little better. So again, this is the chocolate from the Dollar Tree. This is the bouquet, and this is the cup that they can reuse with all their suckers and stuff. So, all right, guys, I'm going to do the Mickey one for you, and I will be right back. Hey guys, sorry for the rearranging of the camera. So I've not been feeling good today. I did go to work, and I'm just still having some side effects from COVID. And so I've really been looking forward to doing this video, and I just was not up to sitting on my laundry room floor anymore. So I did come into my bedroom to get more comfortable. So, you know, like I said, don't quit my day job. So I wanted to do this one and the Mickey one. I have gone outside. I've gone like to my car to see if it rolled under. I
I don't know. Maybe I left it on the table and the dogs ate it. I have no idea. But the green foam from for the Mickey one is not here. And since I am sticking to my no spend week, I cannot go buy another one because I said I would not buy. So I wanted to at least post this video and show you the mini one before Valentine's Day. Obviously the Mickey one would be done the same way. You can use whatever colors you want. And then maybe I'll do the Mickey one for Easter, because again, I'm not spending all week this week, and I'm on Monday and I'm dying. And tomorrow our work is offering nachos for $6, but again, I'm not spending, so I won't be eating them. So yes, but anyways, this is this one, but I am going to, so yes, anyways, so this is this one, and I found my little cupcakes and stuff you could put on here, but I truly just love how this looks just like this. I am thinking about putting like a tutu around it, but then I feel like that would cover Minnie's face. So I think, let me just put this on my knees. Hey guys, what's up, you know? So I think that maybe if we just tied a bow there, I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm doing fine. I just am still having some effects from COVID, and I'm just, some days I just, So if you know how to tie beautiful bows, like that would just be really cute in the front. Again, I won't quit my day job. Anyways, a really pretty bow right there would be insanely cute. So here is our little mini bouquet. Boop. All the way up and down. I think it is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So $1, the thing in there was $1, so that's $2. These were $1, $3, $4, $5, $6. So it's $6. I mean, I don't think that's bad. So I think it's very cute and it's very creative. And let me tell you, it's heavy. It has a lot of suckers in there. So anyways, I made that. So the next thing, now I have to try to lay this down. The next thing I want to show you is I've already started it. So it is an Easter basket or a Valentine's basket, whatever you want to use it as. So again, I'm going to show you, I am so sorry. I'm going to really try to find a better way to film, and yeah, I'm just not feeling up to it, but I really just have been excited about filming this. So this is just the oval, circle, square, whatever basket that Dollar Tree has. And it is the basket with like the plastic stuff right here. And it normally has the what am I thinking? The handle right here. And let me tell you, if you wanted to do the handle too, it would be even cuter. I am going to do one with the handle decorated, but not this one because this is, I think, going to be more like my Valentine's, but I will do an even more embellished Easter basket that is going to be gorgeous. So again, this is just the plastic basket from Dollar Tree. They have them in circle, they have them in square, they have them in whatever, but they need to have like, it needs to have like the spots right there, because I'm going to show you how I did this. But this right here, I just tied each one into here. So I'm just making a tutu, but I'm just putting it on here. So again, this is from Dollar Tree. The you can get tulle all the time from Dollar Tree. So this is not even like a full one. This is not even $1 worth, but this is what it looks like right now. And I'm going to start going around with a purple. This is not Dollar Tree tulle, but again, you can buy it from there. However, I buy mine just because I buy quite a bit of it from, I haven't bought it in so long, I can't even remember. I think it's the Tulle Company. But so this is what I have right here. And then I am literally, I'm just going to take off like one or two and kind of show you. And then I'll do, again, I'm not great at DIYs. Hey guys. So I have my little ruler out. And I can't even remember how long I cut those. I think I cut them about like a foot each. So we're just going to go to the end of here and there. So we went to the end of the ruler and we cut it. And now, oh guys, I don't even know how long I've had this ruler, but it has my name on it. I don't know. I think it was since I was like in high school. I don't know. So now I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to measure and cut. Measure. Okay. And you could do this for anything. You could do it for Christmas, and use red and green or gold, or use whatever you want. You could use it for anything. You could use it for a birthday. So I have sold a couple a long time ago when I used to do it a lot. As just regular gift baskets. It doesn't even have to be for a holiday or a birthday. So again, this is 1 inch, right? So what I'm going to do is I just take it and I find the middle. And now if these aren't all the same size, it doesn't really matter because at the end we're going to look and we're going to kind of tie them. We're going to cut them all off to make sure they're the same. So I just take the middle and I kind of go like this and kind of squeeze it together because now we're just going to go through this hole right here. We're going to open it, the hole right here. I'm trying to show you guys. And then we're just going to pull it through. And that's literally all we're going to do. All right, guys. Yes, it's done. I'm not feeling well. I'm sitting in my bed making it. Like, that's how easy it is. So again, here is my 1-inch piece of tulle. I kind of make sure the ends are even, and then I just take the middle right here, twist it like that. Again, I'm going to put this one in the same spots as I put this other one, so that I want them really close together, and I'll show you in the other one. So again, I pulled this through. I'm going to pull this, and I'm going, so now see how these two are two different, like this side is much shorter than this one. So I'm just going to pull this one till they're even. Now they are the same size right there. And then I'm just going to pull tight. And again, whoop, there we go. So this is how tight these ones are. If you can see, they're pretty tight in here. And so that's what I'm going to do all the way around this. So the rest of this is going to be purple and the pink. Again, I'm not feeling good, guys. And I'm literally sitting here making it, like relaxing on my bed, watching some Everybody Loves Raymond, making this basket. Like all I need is my basket, my tool, my scissors, and my ruler. That's all I need. And I can just sit here, relax, do it, and it's relaxing. So let me finish it up a little bit, guys, and then I will be right back. Okay, bye. All right, hey guys, so if you have noticed, I have moved yet again because I really wanted to give you guys the full effect of this beautiful baskets from like this angle. It's so pretty. So this is what the kids, I did not cut these off. You can cut them off. You can attach things, whatever you want. Sometimes I cut them off. But this is the beautiful Easter basket. Look at how pretty that is. So this, if you see, like, it's just so pretty. So it's just a little tutu on here. I showed you how I did this part. Extremely easy. So you could do it, let's see, like you could put a little cupcake on here. This is just a little foam sticker from the Dollar Tree. Let me move it closer. You could put that on there just for little input, just little things around it. You could put little beads around it. You could do whatever you want. I left it very simple, but again, you could do whatever you want. So I'm just going to fill it real quick. I'm going to show you guys kind of how cute it looks. Okay guys, so this is our super cute and super easy Dollar Tree gift basket. So this can be, like I said, it can be for a birthday party. It can be for Valentine's Day, it can be for Easter. So all I did is I showed you, I did the tutu. So this basket itself cost $3. $1 for each roll of tulle. I did have leftovers, and $1 for the basket. So that's $3. And then I did place tissue paper in here versus the shredded paper because of the holes in here. Sometimes it will fall out. Let me show you. So down here, the shred could fall out. So anyways, I just filled this, a little fortune cookie, some little puzzle erasers, a little mini thing. I mean, just some shoes. I did put, so this was kind of falling behind. So and you couldn't see it. So I just kind of shoved another piece of tissue paper in here to bring this one up a little so that I could stack more stuff in front of it. But I mean, can you imagine when your little girl comes out in the morning and she sees this beautiful Easter or Valentine's basket, or again, she sees this birthday gift basket sitting on her table. So again, there is that little basket idea. And then I need to fix this one. Sorry about the background, guys. So if you have watched this video all the way through, let me know if you guys are even interested in my DIYs. If you are and you want me to continue, I will go ahead and like find kind of a permanent little spot to do it so that you guys can see it better and actually I can get better at it maybe. So here is our mini one. Again, it is all Dollar Tree. It is a Dollar Tree plastic cup.
It has the Dollar Tree Tiger Pops. These are Dollar Tree bigger blow pop things. These are the smaller charms. And then I did just use a skewer and I put this in the top. So that is beautiful. And then here again is our tutu that we just talked about. And again, it is just the white basket from Dollar Tree. They have them in circle, they have them in oval, they have them in square, they have them in anything, as long as they have the holes to put the tulle in. And this is just tulle from Dollar Tree. But let me tell you guys, you can definitely get it for cheaper, or a bigger amount for cheaper at Walmart. So they are $1 for a very small roll at Dollar Tree, and they are usually $2.97 at Walmart for a pretty big roll. So but if we are going for all Dollar Tree, they do have tulle at Dollar Tree for $1. So I made this Easter basket for $3, and you would never guess it because it is just so flipping cute. Again, I did put tissue paper on the inside because sometimes the little mesh or the shredded stuff tends to fall out. And then I just filled it with whatever. I mean, I have some, let me see, it's over here. I have like switched something out and put in a package of Dove Hearts. Yeah, but I'm obviously not a basket person, like not very good at it. I have 3 boys. But anyways, so these are my 2 ideas, guys. Again, I'm sorry about the 3 change-ups, but I can't even express how easy this is. This was extremely easy. But this, you guys, you can literally, sometimes I do this when my husband is driving or if we're going on long road trips. I'll just take some tulle and some of these baskets with me and just do them in the car. And you can do them absolutely any color for any holiday that you want. So again, guys, that is my DIY for today. I hope that you all are doing great. Today is Monday. Again, I'm only on day 1 of my non-spend, so I do apologize about the Mickey thing. If I do find that green thing, then I will do the Mickey one, but I have looked all over and I can't. So I might have to do the Mickey one for Easter, but it's the same idea, guys. Just get the Mickey cup and the Mickey chocolate on the top and just stick them in. So here we go, guys. That is all for today. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.